Hello and welcome to this section where we're going to talk about indexes in Access 2013. I'm also going to introduce you to our movies database. It's a pretty basic database at this stage. I will be developing it during this course, and as I mentioned in the introduction, we'll be working on some other databases as well. But for the purposes of this part of the course, one or two of the tables in the movies database will do us very well. So what I'm going to do is to go into Design View with the Actor table, and we're going to talk about the indexes on that table. So first of all, let's see which fields in this table are indexed. The primary key of a table in Access is always indexed. You can see the little primary key marker there against ID. And if you look at the properties of the field towards the bottom of the Access window there, you can see the index property says yes, no duplicates. If I look at the other fields in this table and down again at the indexed property, that's a no, that's a yes, duplicates okay, country of birth is not indexed, date of birth is not indexed, gender is indexed with duplicates okay. Now in fact the setup of the indexes in this particular table is rather strange really, and that's one of the reasons we're going to look at it in more detail in this section. But before I do, I want to just switch into Datasheet view and have a look at the data in this table. Now one of the things about Access is that whatever table it's dealing with, it adds new records at the end of the table. It always does that. And if in this particular case, in this actor table, the only index I had was on the primary key, the actor ID, as it adds new actors, it will put them into what is effectively this sort of actor cupboard, and the only information that will be visible from the outside would be some numbers. If I said to Access, tell me about Jeff Bridges, Access would have to flick through all of the records in the actor table. It would look at number 3 and say, is that Jeff Bridges? No. Look at number 4, is that Jeff Bridges? No. Look at number 5, no, and so on. And eventually it would get to Jeff Bridges and it would say, hi, I found a Jeff Bridges, he's number 8.